Okay, we will continue to try to prove that all disease, acute or chronic, can be cured.
Yes.
When we here is Georgia. Georgia came in with a knee problem. So why don't you tell us how long have your knee problem? What other problem you have? How you came here?
The knee problem has been bothering me for about a year. And I tried all kind of treatments for the knee. It didn't work. But I came to Dr. Tong.
What kind of treatments?
Doctor gave me, what's the name of the
medication?
Shot? He gave me medication. He gave me a steroid shot in the knee, and it still didn't work.
Okay, so the pain did not get relieved.
The pain did not relieve.
You tried chiropractic and other things or
yes.
not? Oh, you did?
Yes.
Okay.
It did not relieve the pain.
How many times?
The chiropractor, I went to chiropractor 4 times.
4 times?
And it did not work.
Okay, yeah.
So I came to Dr. Tong. The first time I came, the pain went away. For 2 weeks, I came back. And now I can bend my knee back as far as it goes and out.
So the pain did not return at all?
No, the pain did not return at all.
Okay, so here proof, okay? Knee pain, chronic knee pain can be cured.
Yes.
And it's very easy. One treatment.
Yes.
Most of the time. You know, continue bring cases in to show you that. Okay, today you came back with a new problem.
Right, because I was favoring the other knee.
Yes.
The knee pain the first pain was in the right knee.
Yes.
And because I was favoring it so much, it caused the left knee to bother me.
Okay.
So I came today with the pain for the right knee, and right now I have no pain in my left knee. My left knee, I can bend it back and forth, and I feel fine.
So here's the proof. Very easy. Chronic pain, very easy to treat. Now, you also have a cold this morning.
Yes.
So what were the symptoms?
The symptom I came in, my chest was very heavy. I was wheezing.
Yes.
And now my chest is very light. I can take a deep breath without coughing.
Mm-hmm.
And I feel much better. My head, my neck is not stiff or nothing. You know, I feel wonderful.
How about your throat?
My throat is not sore.
Mm-hmm.
It's much clearer. My voice was very hazy when I came in this morning. But now it's not. I have a clear voice.
Okay.
It's like a miracle.
Common cold and infection, upper respiratory infection, very easy to fix. Even my kids can do it. My boy, his wife had a cold, and normally 99% with the injection they've been practicing, it worked. That was 4 months ago. It did not work. So he called me, and then the cough started getting into her chest, and she got chest pain. That means that she's developing either pneumonia or bronchitis. They live in San Francisco. He called me, and I told him several points to hit. 2 days later, she was completely well. Yeah, even pneumonia, bronchitis can be cured by improving circulation. That's what I did with Georgia. Circulation to her knees, circulation to her head, circulation to the lung, and that's how you cure a problem, by restoring circulation and health.
I feel wonderful now.
Okay, so
thank you, Dr. Tong.
Okay, thank you.